Well, some family and friends have been wondering about where I'm at with the Pietenpol build, and so this little video will help fill you in. Just today, this piece of the pilot seat came out of the clamps, so all these are glued on, and this is actually just kind of clamped onto the fuselage. It'll have supports and everything in here. But that's the most recent progress, has built the main pilot seat. So I glued in the seat back a little while ago, and here's the main structure of the fuselage. Let's see if I can back up a little bit. The passenger seat is not in yet. So just today, in order to make this video, I got the tail feathers out of the rafters and clamped them onto the fuselage just so you can kind of get a perspective for how all that's going to go. Of course, it'll be bolted in and have bracing wires and everything in it. So fuselage is almost done. Have to build the passenger seat yet, but the fuselage is almost done, and then like the instrument panels up here and here, and then the turtle deck. The stabilizers and elevator and rudder are done, and I just got them clamped on here. First thing I did several years ago was build the wing ribs, and there they all are stacked up, 32 of them. So from the perspective of the free view of the plans, I have most of the fuselage except for the turtle deck and instrument panels and front seat. I've got the stabilizers and the elevators and rudder, and then all the wing ribs. So I can kind of start putting the wing together once I can find the time to buy some spars and get the money to buy the spars. Of course, the engine's going to be different. I'm putting a Corvair engine on it. So one of the other things I've done recently was do some metalworking. So here is the rudder horn. This is built up per the plans. I can open up the plans here. Let's see here. Okay, so here's the plans. That was a full-size pattern. It's cut out of steel, and it's bent to have sort of some thickness to it out of two pieces of steel, and the brace is welded on there. So where does that go? Well, it goes up here near the rudder, and then the horn would go here so that the cables can pull on either side of it to actuate the rudder. So then I've got the elevator horns. Have not welded the braces onto them yet. And that's most of the progress. I have an engine core. I haven't started rebuilding it yet, but I took it apart to kind of see what I have. And that's about where I'm at. So people ask, how long will it be yet? Well, the answer is when the airplane's ready. It's not yet. But I have a goal of actually flying this thing in 2 more years. So we'll see what happens. But if you don't make a goal, you don't make progress. So, got to make a goal. Thanks for watching, and get out there and build, fly, and repeat. Thanks.